Hi there, boys and girls. Today I'm going to show you how to make a bunny out of a toilet paper tube just in time for spring break. I've already started by trimming a piece of paper in the exact width of my toilet paper tube in order to cover it up. I've added one strip of glue to start out, just on the edge here, and I'm going to just kind of spread it out. And I'm going to add another strip of glue on the very end here. I'll add a little bit in the center, but I'm not gonna need too much to make it stick. I'm gonna stick my toilet paper tube right on that part right here, and I'm actually going to roll it right on my cardboard tube. I wanna make sure that I'm extra careful to have it stick all the way on nice and neat. And then I'll just kind of roll it in my hands to make sure that it's nice and secure. All right, and I'll let that rest. Now, if you don't have construction paper at home, you can also use paint. If you'd like to make your own paint at home, you can check out the first video where I made a flower out of a toilet paper tube. And I'll show you how to make your own paint there. If you have your own paint at home, you're welcome to use that as well. I'm going to use some paint that I have at my house to mix a nice light blue color. Remember, anytime you're mixing colors, you always want to start with your lightest color as the base. Out of my white and my blue, what color do you think is the lightest? That's right, it's white. So white is going to be my base. I'm going to add just a little bit of blue to that white because it will turn it darker pretty quick. All right, I like that nice light blue color. So it looks like it's time to start painting. All right, so now that I'm waiting for my cardboard tubes to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and draw my ears for my bunny. I wanna go with a nice long round shape like this. It's okay if they're a little bit extra long because you want to glue them on the inside of the cardboard. Now I'm going to either cut out paper to cover my ears or cover them with paint. It depends on what you have at home. If you don't have either of those things, it's totally fine. You can just leave it blank like cardboard. You could use marker if you have that at home. Whatever you have available to you, it's totally up to you. You could even use fabric. Maybe you have some old t-shirts that you could cover your bunny with. Whatever you have available, that's what you can use at home. Get creative. while I wait for my ears and my cardboard tube to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and add a face to my dry cardboard tube right here, the one that I added paper to. You can make a face however you'd like, but I am going to show you the basic steps to make the face of a bunny. I'm going to go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm going to go ahead and make them like this, nice and long. And I think I'm going to make nice, big, shiny eyes today. I'm going to start with a white spot up at the top here and another white spot over here at the bottom. And I'm going to color them dark in the center. I'm going to add a little bunny triangle nose here, along with a little line coming up here. Two curved lines and those big bunny rectangular teeth. There you have the bunny. All right, it's time to add those ears. By adding just a little bit of glue to the bottom here and attaching them to the inside of my cardboard tube, I should be ready to go. It's going to help to hold them tight for just a few minutes or a few seconds here to get them to grab on for a minute. You'll want to lay your tube for a few minutes to get them to stick, and you'll need to come back to it after it's had some time to dry. Let's get started. And there you have it. That's how you make bunnies out of cardboard tubes. I can't wait to see your creations, and I hope you have an excellent spring break. I can't wait to meet with you guys again after spring break. Happy art making!